Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Meghna and this is Meghan Cheese. In this video, we are explaining about sari and sanskari look. This video is more about how to wear a sari, what type of saris are there in the market, and if you have an old sari, how to revamp it. This video is quite interesting and I hope you like it. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.
Sari is such an elaborative outfit. You can work around with it in so many ways. How about dividing a sari into two sections? It is called butterfly lehenga or langa davni, where langa means skirt or a lehenga and davni means a pallu. This style is very famous in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, where young girls wear it on a daily basis. But now, half sari is the most happening trend. Be it a South Indian wedding or any function, everyone wants to slay in a half sari. The lehenga or the skirt part of the half sari looks extremely dreamy and gives the princess feeling. These can be matched with a contrast or a monochrome sari or a dupatta. You can match the same half sari with different colored blouse and mix and match with different colors of dupatta. The two parts of the sari is pleats and pallu. Pleats are wrapped around the waist either front, side or back. Pallu can be worn differently from normal as well. Adding belts to this outfit will also accentuate your waistline, making you look sleek and fashionable. Top it off with an antique or a temple jewelry, which will definitely make you look like a princess. Here are the ways to keep your sari interesting and add a sense of fashion in them. Instead of wearing a normal pallu, fold the extra length of a pallu back to the front and give a different look altogether by adding heavy belts to keep the pallu in place. Every state in India has its own ways and styles of wearing sari. Play around with Kugi style, Gujarati style, Bengali style, and there's so many ways to tie a sari. There is a video on how to drape these styles in our Navaratri makeup series. Do watch the video, link in the bio. Draping a Maharashtrian type of sari is also trending and are extremely comfortable. Use a stiff or a cotton material for this style. Always select a sari based on the season and your comfort zone. There are so many trends going on how to drape a sari, so keep your sartorial game updated. Cut work or a patchwork embroidery has a unique style which are done by cutting away pieces of fabric which creates beautiful pattern of its own. No matter what methods are used to create a cut work designs, the final result is something exquisite and extremely beautiful. It looks fashionable and fancy without giving up on comfortable of the wearer and the affordability. The borders of these saris are very large in size with artistic designs and shapes. These saris will help you elevate your sartorial game. You can create these saris by adding geometrical lines and shapes, patch two different saris and beautiful mirror work and make it interesting enough to catch everyone's attention. Long gone are the boring days of women in sari in a traditional style. The attire sari has evolved beyond imagination. The new generation sari is fun, modern and easy to wear. The quirky sari, which made an entrance, reeks of confidence and shows some bold personality. They get their quirky title due to their radical prints, mix and matches of different fabrics and material. These sari look so adventurous with quirky and classy collections. It may have prints like auto, cars, fruits, newspaper, animal prints, etc. and are so comfortable with an offbeat fabric. You can wear these to work, rock it at a family party or at a wedding. They look absolutely fab and brings out youthfulness and uniqueness when you wear. Be artistic and paint your own sari with fabric colors and paints. Add a theme, pattern or a design. Floral sequence is always a good option to start with. Plain cotton sari or a jute sari are very comfortable material to show your artistic talent. These saris are unique and are extremely comfortable for daily wear as well. Pair it up with an interesting blouse which has an embroidery or a sequence of a contrast color. Get inspired by nature sun, moon, mountain, and paint your story on your sari. The newest trend that is spotted on every block of a wedding season is the crop top and lehenga. The typical heavy embroidery lehenga choli has now taken a backseat and going minimal is a vogue. The catch of this sequence of our video is the sari is wrapped as a skirt. How cool, right? You don't have to invest in getting a new lehenga stitched. Wrap a heavy work or printed stiff material sari like a lehenga. Create small foldings like pleats of lehenga and wrap them around your waist. Match it up with a contrast blouse and yeah, you are ready to go. Now, we are into my favorite section of the video, the revamp. Browsing through our mom's wardrobe, we found so many saris that they don't use or wear it anymore. This sari is a perfect choice for a makeover. Turning your mom's sari into a kurta style like anarkali, umbrella cut, straight cut kurta are a way to go. You can stitch two tops from one single sari. Georgette material, netted saris, chiffon or work saris looks great for such revamp. Long anarkalis or gowns are perfect to revamp a beautiful silk sari. Use an entire sari and make a flared floor-length anarkali or a gown. Use the pallu of the sari as an upper bodice to make it look royal.